Welcome to our guide on getting a medical marijuana card in Massachusetts for 2025. As regulations and processes evolve, obtaining your card is now more straightforward than ever. In this video, we'll walk you through each step, highlighting the latest updates so you can access medical cannabis with ease. Massachusetts Medical Marijuana Program, governed by the Cannabis Control Commission, offers numerous benefits to cardholders. Unlike recreational users, medical patients can purchase larger cannabis quantities tax-free and access exclusive products tailored for medical needs. First, ensure you meet the eligibility criteria, being a legal Massachusetts resident, aged 18 or older, with a qualifying health condition like chronic pain or cancer. For minors, additional steps involving a pediatric specialist are required. Once eligibility is confirmed, it's time to gather necessary documentation. Prepare your ID, proof of residency, medical history, and a passport-style photo. With expanded documentation options in 2025, the process is more accessible. Consult a registered practitioner to get your certification. Telemedicine services, like those from True Herbal Consults, make this step convenient and efficient. After finding a provider, it's time for your certification appointment. Discuss your medical history and treatment options with your healthcare provider. They will guide you on cannabis benefits, proper dosing, and potential interactions with other treatments. Use your certification to register online with the Commission. The digital process requires your certification number, photo, and contact details. After approval, you'll receive a temporary card electronically, with your permanent card arriving by mail soon after. This grants you full access to medical dispensaries. With your card in hand, explore the advantages of being a medical marijuana patient. In 2025, obtaining a medical marijuana card in Massachusetts is simpler, thanks to telemedicine and streamlined processes. With expert guidance from providers like True Herbal Consults, you can start your journey to potential relief and improved well-being. For more info or to schedule a consultation, reach out at the link below. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more updates. Visit trueherbalconsults.com or call 617-401-5295 to take the first step towards your medical cannabis journey. Stay informed and empowered.